guys, Rainy Rob here. Welcome back to my channel. After a long time I'm doing a DIY video. I'm going to install this handguard for the Apache RTR200. Let's get started. The bike is really dirty. I need to wash the bike after installing this. And first thing is I need to remove the screw which is inside and remove this part, and I'll get the screwdriver. I've got the screwdriver now. Let's remove it. Guys, after many tries, finally I've removed this with a lot of struggle. It was fitted by the company itself, and removing this was very difficult. There you can see the screw. Even that screw had gone. It was really tight. I had to hammer this and take it out because the screw had jammed completely inside. This will be like this inside this handlebar. First I had placed the spanner like that, and I was hammering it to remove this, and it took a lot of time. I'll show you how to fix the handguards. So when you buy the handguards, you'll get this bolt. First thing is you need to insert the bolt here, and then this one which expands inside, locks this with the handlebar. This is a nut. You need to place it like this. You need to tighten the bolt, and you need to lock it first. You can use the Allen key, and you need to lock this here so it doesn't rotate. You can hold it like this and tighten it a little more till this is tight with this bolt. Okay, now it's tight, and you take the Allen key and you can tighten this. Don't worry about the position. Once it locks a little bit, and then you can adjust the position. Guys, I've set the position now, both left and right, and what I'll do is I'll tighten this bolt. Guys, now I've fixed it on both the sides. As you can see, it looks really cool, and I thought of clicking some pictures and showing it to you, and it's really dark outside. Still, I need to connect these wires with the light. There's a light here. Actually, I wanted to buy the orange light because it can match with the indicators, but what I got is the white one. Even that looks good. I need to connect the wires from both the sides to the indicators, and I need to find where is the indicator wires. I think I need to remove the headlamp. The indicators wires are just placed behind this headlight. What I need to do is I need to remove the headlight, as you saw in the hazard light video, a DIY video. The same way I need to remove the headlamps, and I need to connect these wires.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.